How to download and watch Amazon Prime movies offline. So you want to download and watch Amazon Prime movies offline, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Amazon Prime Video. Amazon lets you download movies and TV shows for offline viewing on your mobile devices. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just conserving data, here's how you need to do it. First, log into your Amazon Prime account. Next is choose a movie you want to download. But always remember, not all of the movies can be downloaded offline. So be mindful on that. Next, you will have a download option or download button, which will be found on the title's detail page. Click it, and that's it. You can choose to download an entire season by tapping the download button next to the season. To download individual episodes, tap the download icon in the episode list. Once the download is complete, tap the Downloads tab located in the bottom menu bar to find and watch your downloaded content offline. So it was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.